This week said Parshes Teruma. We ask a question: why did HaKadosh Baruch Hu ask us to make the Mishkan? What do you need the Mishkan for? HaKadosh Baruch Hu showed it in the whole world. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Melech Malchei Amlochim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is boss of the whole world. The whole world. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is in charge of America, of Asia, of Australia, New Zealand, Europe. The whole world. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is Balabais in the whole world. What does he need us? Why did he tell Moshe, you make the Mishkan and do make the Mishkan this and this size and this and this size? What do you need it for? The answer is that God wanted to be close to us. V'shechanti b'soichom. Ohavti eschem omar Hashem. I like you. I want to be close to you. So I tell you to make the Mishkan. The question is asked, why when HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Daber b'nei Yisrael v'yichol li truma, me'is kol ish, asher yidvenu liboy, he says you bring the kesef, the zahov, and the nechoshes, tchelis, v'agomon, and everything. Then he says, Avnei shoyam, v'avnei miluim le'efoid v'lechoshes. What is Avnei shoyam? That's the stones, which is on the shoulders of the kohen. Each stone is about as big as, each stone is about the size of, let's say, half a packet of sugar, let's say. Very big. It's very, very large, each stone. Why is it written, mamish in the end? Shemen amoy, v'somel shemen amishchov lektoires hasamim, avnei shoyam, v'avnei miluim lo'ifrid v'lochoishen. And each stone is much bigger than 18 carats of the diamond of a ring. Each stone is about the size of, is like the size of a roll or something. Size of a, quite big, of a luach Hashanah, of a diary. It's quite large, which costs, the Gemara says, the Kedusha Namid Aleph, for example, Domer Bedesina, the father was sleeping, and the Chomim came to the Goy, and they told him, we want to have a stone for the Choshen, and he said, I can ask all the money in the world I want. I only ask for 800,000 ruble, with nearly 1,000,000 rubles. And he says, he told them the father's sleeping, and his feet was on the box, or the keys were there, or the stone was there. Makes no difference. But Ava became, we see that he said, I can't open the box because our father is sleeping. And how big is the stones? Why is it written in the end? Why did it say Avnei Shoyim v'Avnei Miluim? Le'oifrid v'lechoshen, after all the things which is written in the Posek in the beginning of Parshat Teruma. So Chaim HaKodesh says, why? Loma nimnu Avnei Shoyim b'achoino, sha'ananim hoyimevim es Avnei HaShoyim. Who brought the Avnei HaShoyim to the Mishkan? The Ananei HaKovod. And so what? And it says that the Ananei HaKovod brought the Avnei Shoyim without any Toreach v'Yigia, without any Chisorin keys. It came through the Ananei HaKovod. It's the under din, it's got a different din. If someone is mashkia, his nefesh, and his neshama, if someone takes wood and makes it into a cabinet, and he does it all by himself. He takes a saw, and he takes a hammer, and he takes a chisel, and he takes a drill, and he puts in the screws by himself. He has it in his house, like the Chofetz Chaim says, that the table he learned on, he wanted the table to be his oin, to bury him afterwards. That's the table which he used. A person is mashkia, his nefesh, ruach, neshomo, chayich, hido, it's all b'mitzias in some kind of furniture. That's him, like Shari Nikanor, which Gemara brings down. They wanted to throw the second gate into the water because the boat was so heavy. There was a storm in the water, and the first shard they threw in, and the second shard they said, you throw it into the water, throw me in together with it also. A person is moisen nefesh on a certain thing, it's for his la'olam. So the Orchaim, that's what Chaim Shmulevitz brings down. Roitze odom bekav shaloi mites kabin shechaveroi. Chavivo olov al yedei, through a person is mitamel, through the person he gives all his koiches in this kind of thing. That's his la'olam void. You can't take away the thing from him. That's why we see the Avnei Shoim, Avnei Miluim, since the Bnei Yisrael in the Midbar, they didn't mashkia the nefesh. They came with the Anani Akovoid. It's a different din altogether. If someone is mashkia, his nefesh, ruach, neshama, and something, he takes his koiches to build his house, and he takes his koiches to build his furniture, and he takes his koiches to build the cabinet, and he takes his koiches to write chidushim, and he takes his koiches to do something, which he put all his koiches into it. That's got a completely different din than if someone buys it ready. Maise Godel, Maise Chia, like we said last week. Chia said, I can make sure that Torah won't forget in Am Yisrael Oilam. Why? He took pishton and he made from it a trap to get goat and to get goats and meat and everything. Then he took the meat and he shechted it, and he took the bosso and he made it to the Amonis Yisoimim, written in Breishis and Shmois for Yikro, and also Shish and Mishnah, until he taught the Talmud everything. God L'Maisechiyah. A Yid is mashkiah his nefesh and his neshama.